Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the page details, how you can edit them. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Facebook app. So I'm going to open the Facebook app here. Now simply we have to go to the menu section. So I'm going to click on this menu section. And after clicking on the menu section, simply we have to go to the settings option. So I'm going to click on the settings option, and then simply we have to scroll down and we have to go to the page details option. So let's click on the page details. So as you can see now, if you want to add a social link, you have to click on the social link and we have to provide that link here. As you can see, we have to click on the add social link here again, and we have to we have to choose the platform here, and then we have to paste the link here. So I'm going to back again. And now if you want to add a phone number, add a service area, every detail is provided here. You just have to add the details, or if you want to edit the details, you can also do that. So in this way you can add or edit the details of your Facebook page. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.